We're heading down to Newfoundland, that rocky eastern shore.
I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. It's getting late, but I don't mind. 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 Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah.
Il pleut, il pleut.
Aha, me boys will be lighting. Dirty ball. Lukey's boat is painted green. Ha, me boys. Lukey's boat is painted green. It's the prettiest boat that you've ever seen. Aha, me boys will be lighting. Aha, me boys will be lighting. Got a fine barcuddy, ha, me boys. Lukey's boat's got a fine barcuddy, and every seam is cheap with buddy, aha. Me boys will be landing, aha, me boys will be landing. Says Lukey, the blinds are down, ha, me boys. Says Lukey, the blinds are down. Martha's dead and she's on the ground, aha. Me boys will be landing. Sing it. Aha, me boys will be lighting. Well, I says, Lukey, I don't care, ha, me boys. Well, I says, Lukey, I don't care. I'll get me another in the spring and the year. Aha, me boys will be lighting. Just sing it now. Aha, me boys will be lighting. boys if you like it. Aha, me boys if you like it. Aha, me boys if you like it.
Bonne fête des mères à tous les pères du monde.
Puffins, puffins par-ci, puffins, puffins par-là.
So raise a glass, not the first or last. Come join me in this toast. Because the old black drum's got a hold on me like a dog wrapped around my neck. And the old black drum's got a hold on me when I live for another day. Hey, when I live for another day.
On va nous préparer un beau riz. On va manger avec
wake up in the morning to the quiet of the cove and hear Aunt Bessie talking to herself, and to hear poor Uncle John mumbling wishes to O'Nell. It made me feel like everything was fine. I was born down by the water, it's here I'm gonna stay.
Nous sommes en direction Fogo Island, sur un beau petit traversier.
Why I should go away, but I haven't got the thirst for all those modern day toys, so I'll just take my chances with those saltwater joys. Following a little brook as it trickles to the shore in the autumn when the trees are flaming red, kicking leaves that fall around me, watching sunsets paint the hills. It's all I'll ever need to feel at home. This island that we cling to has been handed down with pride by folks who fought to live here, taking hardships all in stride. So I'll compliment her beauty, hold on to my goodbyes, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys. How can I leave those mornings with the sunrise on the cove and the gulls like flies surrounding Clayton's Wharf? Platter's Island wrapped in rainbow in the evening after fog. The ocean smells are perfume to my soul. Some go to where the buildings reach to meet the clouds, where warm and gentle people turn to swarming faceless crowds. So I'll do without their riches, glamour and the noise, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys. Some go to where the buildings reach to meet the clouds, where warm and gentle people turn to swarming faceless crowds. So I do without their riches, glamour and the noise, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild.
Here in Newfoundland, we use square bricks and flat irons and birch junks. But up in the mainland Canada, where some of you came from, somebody up there invented a rubber hot water bottle. He put a patent on it and made all sorts of money.
Bye-bye, Newfoundland.
It was a great trip.
It was a great trip.
We'll be back.
Thank you, Nathalie.
We'll be back.
We shall return.
On va revenir. Ouais, on est en français. On revient.
Ok, on revient.
On va reviendre.
Abort, abort.
Nous reviendrons.